Hi everybody, my name is Heather Murphy. I am a second grade teacher in Wellington, Kansas. This will have just completed my third year of teaching. Something that's a little bit different is I teach in an open classroom concept, and so there's two second grade classes in one room. We have used dividers, bookshelves, things like that, just kind of as a noise sound barrier, but we've also started opening up our classroom these last year or 2 years, once I kind of dipped my toes in the first year and kind of co-taught together. So we have roughly 20 to 25 kids each, so I like to say that I have 40 to 50 kids each year that we kind of teach together. It's a little bit untraditional, but I kind of really enjoy it because you just have two teachers there. You can bounce ideas off of each other and different things like that. So we do lots of small group rotations and different things, but I enjoy that. But it's a little bit different than most of the traditional one class per room kind of thing as well. As for courses taken, I have taken all of the courses that I need besides for this library class, and then I'm also in the children's literature class as well this summer. And then in the fall I will take the library practicum class, and I should complete my master's degree after that one, so I'm getting excited. I have not really had any frustrations with online learning. All the professors that I've had so far have been very accommodating and just welcoming and very open to if we have questions or concerns as well. I like the flexibility of being able to just find time when I can to complete assignments if that means one week I'm super busy and the next week I have more time. So I do like the flexibility of online learning where it's not a certain day at a certain time every time. That's really been helpful, especially when the pandemic started, when schools closed down. It was a little bit different continuing online classes while also navigating that new experience. So I really enjoyed just the professors and just Fort Hays and how accommodating they have been. So I don't really have any complaints about online learning. Family information, I got married almost 2 years ago, so my husband and I live in Conway Springs, Kansas, and that's it. I have a big family with cousins and things like that, but it's just me and him right now. Cataloging experience, I do not have any cataloging experience, so I'm really looking forward to taking this class and kind of understanding some things as well. I have been in contact with our middle school librarian throughout all my library classes, and she's been super helpful, and so I feel like I will go to her to kind of look at our stuff and kind of get help with some cataloging experience as I need to this summer as well. And we use Alexandria. I know a lot of people use Destiny, but we use Alexandria, and that was an assignment from one of our previous courses to kind of look into, and so I had asked my librarian some questions about that, but I am definitely looking forward to kind of digging in a little bit deeper and kind of seeing what librarians do, what we need to do to make sure our libraries run smoothly and we have everything kind of accounted for and in place. So I look forward to taking this class and finishing off my degree.